Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Oh wow. I was about to go start eating. I missed it. I ain't understand that assignment right there. I'm not even wasting no time.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having Thanksgiving in July. So I have macaroni and cheese.
You're lying. It's Thanksgiving every day for us.
I have macaroni and cheese. I have candied yams. I have barbecue chicken, excuse me, and I have collard greens, and then I have some cornbread on the side. Okay. So, family, this is inspired by Cece from Like Mother, Like Daughter Eats, okay?
Take that cornbread. Take that cornbread.
Okay. This macaroni and cheese ain't no box macaroni and cheese. It's made from scratch.
Get that cornbread. You want your cornbread? Zoom in, not booming.
It's made from scratch, guys. This is my sister's famous macaroni and cheese.
It's busting.
She told me how to make it. Of course, it still doesn't taste nothing like hers, but it's damn close. This is my favorite thing on Thanksgiving, besides the oxtail.
Yeah?
Or the fried fish, is macaroni and cheese and candied yams.
Yes.
And this is candied casserole, sweet potato casserole. This is what this is. I made this last year, but I made it differently. The way how I have it right here, the sweet potato casserole, that's how I made it last year. I normally don't make it like this, but last year I said I want to try something different. I'm going to tell you why I wanted to try something different. When I was working in West Palm with my sister, for those of you who are new to the channel, my sister's a chef, big chef, okay? And they had a Thanksgiving theme at the school for the kids, and they made sweet potato casserole, and it was so freaking good. So I was like, what is this? It's not chunky like candied yams. So she told me, nope, it's sweet potato casserole, and I made it. Family, everyone was upset that there wasn't enough. It was devoured. It was gone. People were scraping out the container. Honey, you don't remember that.
All I remember is when you eat the food enough. Of course, everything you cook is busting.
Like, oh my God. So, this is how I make my yams from now on. Just like this.
Family, yes, it looks good, I know. You see it, you see it. Oh! If you're new, I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady. You know what I'm saying? Come join the family, you know? Stop being a viewer now and be a family member. Why took you so long? Yeah? You didn't have to take it that long. Oh, you're still watching this? Okay, I got you. Alright. It happens like that too. I'm saying?
This is coconut water.
Off our tree.
Ooh, that's good. This macaroni and cheese, oh my gosh. I just feel like eating this today. God, this is really good.
Everything tastes delicious. Appreciate this meal. This is sweet.
It's sweet, right?
I didn't even know you make macaroni and cheese.
It was in the oven.
I didn't see nothing. Hey?
What do you thought I made? Rice?
I just thought you made the wings with some cornbread and the collard green.
That's it? I can't make that for you. You'd have been like, where's the macaroni and cheese? Where's the rice?
Well, it's right here. They see it.
So what you guys been up to?
Nothing. Nothing. They ain't been up to nothing. It's chillaxing.
I can eat this macaroni and cheese and candy yams just by itself. Like all that cheese that's in it. It's,
That's good.
you taste the cornbread. I never used to be good at making cornbread.
It's very good.
Okay, honey.
You're good on that one.
It was always bitter. I don't know why. And so, well,
Is that one too early, you know?
come on. Gone already, you know?
I know.
Look how the meat just fell off the bone. I barely had to do anything, honey.
Look at that. Fanta pineapple with some added water to dilute it, you know? I don't drink so like that anymore, family.
Are you eating slow?
No, it's not mine. Wow.
So guys, as you guys know, we went to Texas. And we're going to show you guys the video of what transpired, right? Because I don't know if you guys watched Dr. Tibio,
Oh.
but that's who I went to.
Yep. Took a long time.
And I know you guys are saying, you went all the way there for that?
So if you hold on. Here thoughts. So if you're in the Houston area, you know what I'm saying? Go holler at him. That's the GOAT.
That's the GOAT.
Continue.
And the answer is yes. You guys have heard me complain numerous times about my neck and my back.
Yep.
I have gone to several chiropractors in the Pizzle, in West Palm, Fort Lauderdale, all over. At this point, you know, you're tired of being in pain every day, right?
Yep.
So at this point, you're like, what can you lose? It's a nice vacation. You can go see people that you know, haven't saw in a long time, and get your neck cracked. It wasn't just a neck crack, guys. When he posts that video, God's willing, you guys will see. I'm not gonna.
She well needed it, family. No cap.
It was.
She's messed up.
It was.
I'm not gonna tell people. She's really messed up, family. Well needed. How long took you to get to him?
His appointments are a year out.
You want that? You got that? You want that? Or are you good?
I have one, my love. A year out. And even then, you know, we're in Florida. So.
When we took that trip, I had to go see him. How you feel?
I feel good. I feel like you'll see in the video. But For me, it was more than just someone adjusted my neck. I felt like my neck was like this. I felt like my neck was squished and it needed to be pulled. And he did the trick. He did the trick. You know, I don't want to give it away too much, right?
Yeah, don't give it away too much.
But when he drops the video, I will definitely let you guys know. Comment below, let me know if you guys do watch chiropractic videos.
Yes.
Like Dr. Tibio, Dr. Cipriani, the Ring Dinger, Dr. Ian, Dr. Raham, Dr. Mondragon. I watch all of it. Sasha, come out. Out, please. Thank you, baby. How did that dog open that door? Honey, how should I open? Stop! Excuse me. You're full. Oh. You always leave the meat for last. I don't know how you do that.
I'm gonna eat a wing them.
Shoot, I'm full.
I know that. This is my first day to cornbread too. Come on now.
Cornbread.
You always want me to eat of all the food. Come on, y'all. Y'all gotta eat some too. Oh, I know y'all like cornbread, so step back if you don't like cornbread. Love my ice. What?
Ain't that my food, man? You full door.
You done eat anyway. I got a good word for you today, family. So
You do?
yeah.
You always have good words. This is extra goody goody goody.
I hope this one could touch somebody. No? No? I know probably somebody could relate to this one. They give me enough with my youth.
You're greedy. You could leave one.
Never follow me now.
You're never loving them? I can't never loving them, man.
I don't keep anything I'm greedy.
They already think that. No, they already know that.
They don't think I'm greedy. They just say I eat what I can manage.
No.
Do you think I'm greedy, family?
No, they think you're greedy.
No, they don't think that.
Trust me.
They would never do that.
What?
They would never say I'm greedy. They say Pastor Richie just eat what his body his belly could handle. Thank you. I mean when they say I'm greedy.
Okay.
I'm not gonna do that. Alright, family.
These wings were small too.
My wing them the big one.
I've seen some bigger ones. In the package.
Big wing now. Full?
Yep. You can't have no more. But you see how the wings just fall off the bone?
Well, bye. Okay, family. This was the next delicious meal as always.
Whew.
Appreciate that.
How's the macaroni and cheese?
Delicious. Nice and soft, and got the right thing in here. Okay. Okay, let me give you another word. Alright, fam, the first day, listen to this one. Alright? Okay. First day, Family, just remember this, okay?
I'm gonna
If
remember.
you're going through anything, right? Just remember this. One day, someone is going to hug you so tight that all your broken pieces will stick back together.
Ooh, I like that. I like
Yes,
it.
so I'm saying, so if y'all remember that, that day will come. Right? If that day already happened already,
That's good.
let me know. That's even better. But for everybody, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to say it again, okay, family? One day, someone is going to hug you so tight that all of your broken pieces will stick back together. If you could relate. You know what I'm saying?
That's a good one.
That's a good one, right?
Yep.
We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. If you're new, I am Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady, and they are...
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.